Role of the financial statement in assessing the credit quality of a potential debt investment. Okay, so while doing the credit analysis, the credit analysts they see for 3 C's. First is the characteristics of the management in terms of their professional reputation and their past record of the repayment of loan. Okay, and the second C is the collateral. Okay, how do they keep the or pledge the asset in terms of collateral that relieves the lenders. And the third C is the capacity to repay the loan, which is done by the credit analyst by observing closely the financial statements and their related ratios. Okay, so that is about the 3 C's that is being seen or observed by the credit analyst. But the credit rating agencies like Moody's and Standard & Poor's, they employ some formulas which is done by taking weighted average of accounting ratios and business characteristics. And here it differs, some part of the formula or the parameters of the formula they differ from industry to industry. However, generally they are segregated into 4 categories. Okay, first is the scale and diversification. Here larger companies having multiple product lines and which are diversified in many geographies are having controlled credit risk. And the second is the operational efficiency. Here ratios like operating return on asset, then EBITDA margin, then operating margin are considered. And the companies that are having higher operational efficiency are having better debt rating. Third is the stability margin. The companies that are having stable in terms of profitability margin are having controlled credit risk. But the companies that are volatility in terms of profitability margin, they are having the credit risk is not controlled. Okay, and the fourth one is leverage. Here the ratios like debt ratios, then EBITDA, and then free cash flow to interest expense, all these ratios are generally seen. And the companies that are having higher earnings, okay, higher earnings than this debt ratio or any interest expense, okay, the companies that are having higher earnings as compared to the debt and interest expense are having better controlled credit risk. So that is about the role of the financial statement in terms of the potential debt investment and how to handle this credit risk. So that is about it. Thank you very much.